Hi, my name is Maura Brennan from the Heritage in Schools project, and today I'd like to look at how we can make Oak Gall Ink. The oak tree supports over 255 living organisms, and among them is the Oak Gall wasp. The wasp lays its eggs in the tree, and as the larvae develop, the oak tree responds by forming these galls around the larvae. The most common type of gall are these spherical shaped ones. They're really hard and really tough. And then also these more jagged, rugged looking ones. But what they all share in common, whether they're spherical or jagged shape, is their high tannin content. And it's this high tannin content that we use to make the ink. Traditionally, Oak Gall ink is made using rainwater, ferrous sulfate and gum arabica. So simply combining the ferrous sulfate and the gum arabica into a little paste. And it just dissolves there. Now, I've taken the oak galls and submerged them in rainwater for 3 days. And once you've submerged them in for 3 days, you can see that the tannins start to leach out. So I'm just making this combination, and I'm going to add this. And this will just darken the colour, and it will also just make it a more permanent ink. So I'm going to add that in and just combine it. And that's your Oak Gall ink. So if you don't have some of the ingredients at home, you can simply make an Oak Gall ink using your household vinegar. With this one, I simply submerged the oak galls in rainwater, left them for 3 to 5 days, and then added 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Lots of different plants can be used to make inks. So get out into your garden, get out into nature and experiment and see what different colours you can make.